Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some dried beans into just some cooked beans for my storage in the freezer. Um, these are from Azure Standard, organic, non-GMO. This is a 5-pound bag and they were really nice and clean. I can leave links down below. And I rinsed them, picked through them, of course, to get any potential stones out, rinse them, and then put them in my Instant Pot with a total of 6 cups of water. This was a really easy method to do these beans, I found. Actually, I could have done it for less time than I ended up doing, but I added a little veggie bouillon to there just for some extra flavor. You could use chicken or whatnot, and then you can stir that around. You put your lid onto sealing, and then for 45 minutes on high pressure, and then I let it naturally release. Mine took 30 minutes to naturally release, but I could have really opened it up about maybe at the 20-minute mark would have been better. They were slightly overcooked, but they tasted so good, so much better than canned beans taste, and I buy good canned beans. So what I mean is canned beans from the store, not homemade canned beans, which I want to learn how to do. But these tasted delicious. And then 1 pound is what I measured out from my bag. Look how soft they are. Makes about 3 cans worth of beans. So I put them into some Ziploc bags. About 2 cups of cooked beans equals a can, and so 1 pound of dry equals about 3 cans or 6 cups of beans, if that makes any sense. And then I label these, and then when they cool down completely, I will put them in my freezer flat and pull them out whenever I need some great northern beans. And great product, guys. Azure Standard all the way. It's so much cheaper to do it yourself. I'm gonna keep doing that with some other black beans and pinto beans. I just wanted to pop on here quickly. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you try this out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Have a great day.